Miss Jenn here to talk to you today about a 5-4-3-2-1 technique to use for a mindfulness practice that you can do just about any time and anywhere that you are. So first we're just going to start feeling some of that tension that might be in our body right now, and we're going to do that in a few different ways. So the first thing that I want you to do is just get into that mindful body position. So whether we're sitting in a chair with our feet flat on the floor, hands on our knees, straight tall back, or we're sitting on the ground, crisscross applesauce, that idea of just sitting up nice and tall and straight, okay? Starting to notice maybe where we're feeling a little bit of tightness in our body, starting with the feet. Maybe wiggle your toes inside of your socks or shoes. And then go ahead and squeeze your feet. Just squeeze those toes, curl them under, and then let them go. And start to squeeze your calf muscle tight, and then let that go. Moving that our way to our legs, just bring tension, squeezing those muscles, starting to notice that those muscles are there, and then let them go. Same thing is gonna happen with our hands. We're gonna squeeze them into little fists and open them really wide. Do that again. Squeeze them together, open them wide. Then bring your palms together. We're gonna push the palms into one another, feeling that tension in the arms, and then release. Again, push them together, and then release. Then we're gonna take that tension up to our shoulders. Bring your shoulders up towards your ears, and then let them go. Bring them up, and let them go. And then into our face, kind of scrunching a concentration face when we're feeling stressed, and then opening it up, maybe even smiling. I'm gonna squish it all together and then open it, releasing some of that tension. It can be kind of silly. Okay, so maybe you feel a little bit looser already. That's great. If not, that's okay too. Just starting to pay attention, like we are being mindful and noticing, oh, okay, maybe my shoulders are a little tense and tight right now. Maybe I'm feeling it in my forehead. Things like that to bring awareness to our physical body at this moment. So this 5-4-3-2-1 idea has you really focus on things that are happening right now and around you. So like I said, it can be practiced anywhere you are. And we're starting with the number 5. So 5 is to take notice of 5 things around you right now that you can see. Just look around and start to note. I notice a window, some books, some stuffed animals, a chair, a cushion. Okay, notice those 5 things. Then you go to 4. What are 4 things that you can touch? Maybe you feel your own hands. You feel your shirt on your arms. I feel my earrings tapping my neck, my socks, my hair on the back of my neck. Okay, noticing 4 things that you can physically feel. Number 3 is 3 things you can hear. If you're quiet, what do you notice? I hear someone in the kitchen. I hear my cat's little collar jingling. That's the 3rd thing I hear. Some people talking, whispering. Okay, number 2 is 2 things that you can smell. What do you smell right now? I smell fresh air as we have the windows open. And I smell something cooking in the kitchen. And then one thing that you can taste. It takes a little more focus, especially if we haven't just eaten something. I did just have some tea, so I kind of taste the dryness from having that tea. So those are a way to just connect to all of our 5 senses. Okay, so pairing that with the tension in your hands, even if you're not in a space that you can do a whole body scan, pressing the hands together, squeezing them really tight and opening them wide, and then also using that 5-finger breath. So all of these motions can be really easily remembered by noticing the hand, right? So with our 5-finger breath, we'll breathe in as we trace the fingers and out as we come down. So breathing in, up one of the fingers, breathing out. can even practice that tension release in between, and then maybe try the other hand. And this is a way to feel more grounded and connected to what's happening right now. This can be especially helpful when things are a little bit uncertain or feeling a little chaotic or out of our control. We can control the focus of our brain to notice 5 things we see, what we can touch, what we can smell, hear, and taste. We can control feeling that tension in a way that we're noticing, so that we are able to settle in and know that it can be also let go. We can feel the tension, but we can also relax and let it go. And using our breathing practice to help remind us to do that is really important. So I hope you'll be encouraged to practice this 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 technique with tension in the body, using your 5 senses, and also reminding yourself to take those nice deep breaths to help you just feel a little bit better, more grounded, secure, and calm in what's going on. All right, have a great day. See you soon.